Add photo to Instagram notes. So if you want to add photo to your Instagram notes, then what you need to do first is simply open your application. After opening your Instagram, you need to just go to your DM or message section. Simply tap on the message icon and simply tap on your note option available over here. So simply tap on it. In the notes, you'll have 2 to 3 options like here. Here is music, location and GIF option, and also a highlight option over here where you can color your notes. Now, if you have the latest update, then you won't find a camera icon, but before you had a camera icon right over here. So what you can simply do is, you can only add GIF over here by tapping on GIF and searching a GIF images. Else, there is no image option in notes right now. So what you can do is simply close the note. Now it has a new feature called Instants over here at the plus icon. Tap on this plus icon. Then simply capture an image and it will be shared to your friends. You can share little moments like no edits. You can send instantly or share with your friends. The photos will disappear instant, can be viewed once again, and they are gone and can be viewed after 24 hours. So just simply go with and try it. It's just like your notes but with a new name called Instant. That's it guys. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching this video.